Hello everyone. So what do we have next? We have these creepy crawly creatures. Well, you better know them as insects. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started with a couple of them which are very common and really famous. We come across them every now and then. So we have these termites. I'm sure most of you must have heard about these termites. Often on, like, if you've gone over to, let's say, Ramnagar, if you go towards the Corbett National Park, you'll find a huge, structure which looks like wood. It seems that the tree has been felled, but yeah, it's nothing else but termites. Is their home over there. So termites are eusocial insects that are classified at the taxonomic rank of infraorder Esoptera or an epifamily. So this is your very own spider, and I'm quite sure you must have seen a whole lot of them even in your own houses. Yeah, or around somewhere or the other, maybe in the garden or some such place. So spiders, or you can call them as Arnia, they are air-breathing arthropods that have 8 legs with fangs, and they generally eject a venom. But not all of them are venomous, but some of them are really dangerous. So, we should be a little more careful when we go out. Now, crickets, most of you must have seen. There are various kind of crickets. They are, orthopterian insects which are related to bush crickets and more distantly to grasshoppers. Children, you must have come across, this typical sound, at night generally. Of course, the sound is there even during the day, but then at night, when everything is very silent, you can hear this typical sound, coming every now and then. Now, this is the silverfish and is a species of small primitive wingless insects in the order of Zygonotoma. Its common name is derived from the animal's silvery light grey color combined with a fish-like appearance. But then please do not think that this is actually a fish, because it is not really a fish. Next we have is the locusts. They are swarming phase of certain species of short-horned grasshoppers in the family of Acridae. Now, children, do not confuse it with a real grasshopper. They do look like grasshoppers, but then when they attack your farms, they destroy them completely. Because actually what we can really say is that there is no evidence to suggest that the locusts, they hurt people and animals or carry any diseases that could harm the humans. But then, you really do know for a fact that they do harm your farms. Now, these are scorpions. They are predatory arachnids of the order Scorpions. They have 8 legs and are easily recognized by a pair of grasping pincers and a narrow segmented tail, often carried in a characteristic forward curve over the back and always ending with a stinger. Now children, this particular tail is actually the most dangerous, because this is where all the venom of this dangerous character is. I call it a character because I don't really like scorpions, But nevertheless, they are there and they are a part of our earth. Now this you might think looks like a beetle, but it is not a beetle. You know, those not those very famous kind of beetles. This is basically a cockroach, and they are like pests. There are about 30 species of cockroaches. Okay, and I wouldn't say there are 30 species. Of course, there are more than 30 species of cockroaches, but the 30 cockroaches species, they are associated with human habitats. Okay, there are approximately 4,600 of these species. If I show you this particular species, of course you'll know what it is. We have seen it almost once in a life. We have always seen it, right? So they are an ancient group with ancestors originating during the Carboniferous period, some 300 to 350 million years ago. And children, they are very, very difficult to kill. Not even an atom bomb can actually kill them. Now, what a beauty this is, isn't it? It looks so pretty. Of course, these are butterflies, and they are insects in the Macrolepidopteraceae clade from the order of Lepidoptera, which also includes moths. Adult butterflies have large, often brightly colored wings as compared to those of the moth. Okay, and the lifespan is around 12 months. So the kingdom that they come from is the animal, and the class is that of insect. With this, we come to the end of yet another part of your GK lessons, that is the insects. So, well, take very good care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe, drink plenty of water, and do your breathing exercises. Bye bye.